Alright, are you guys ready for a good laugh? I knew in my heart of hearts that I had footage of my original Delta printer. I just could not find it, and I was cleaning out a desk at work and found this USB drive, and boom, there it was. So this is my very first Delta. This is my third Printerstein, made out of, are you ready for this? 3 lead screw assemblies. These are ball screws driven by stepper motors that just moved up and down, and I set them in a triangle shape 120 degrees off of each other and attached my rods and a Delta hot end to this whole thing, and this was my first attempt at a Delta printer. It actually did not print too badly, for a while. Considering what it was a bear to set up, as you can imagine. I had no idea what I was doing. I'd never built a Delta printer, so I just wanted to learn without having to try to build everything from scratch, and I learned much. In fact, I learned a lot of what not to do, so when I built the next one, I did it right, and my next Delta has been a real workhorse. I love it. But I could not get this thing dialed in for anything. It drove me crazy trying to get all my heights right and my rod length, and it never did work 100%. So I ended up giving up on it, but I just had to share this because it was so funny.